If you want to work faster in Excel, here are 5 shortcuts you'll love. Shortcut number 1. Ctrl plus T. This shortcut instantly converts your range into a smart table. Shortcut number 2. Alt plus. This shortcut will AutoSum your data in one click. Shortcut number 3. Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Toggle filters like a pro. Sort and filter your data in seconds. Shortcut number 4. Ctrl plus Space. Select an entire column fast. Perfect for quick formatting or deleting. Shortcut number 5. Ctrl plus semicolon. Insert today's date instantly. No more typing dates manually. Master these shortcuts and boost your productivity. Follow for more Excel hacks. Thanks for watching.